Hi, I'm Shane from SS Inductions. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a Growler unit to a BZ SS Commodore. It's this particular unit here. So we're going to be fitting the whole Growler unit that comes with the high performance washable pod filter and a new radiator shroud. So we'll go out the back now and show you how it's done. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take out all the scrivets that are holding in the radiator panel. And we can just lift this panel off. Next we're going to take off the intake pipe here, so as it allows us to get to the airbox a lot easier to take it out. So we're just going to use a 7mm socket or a flat braided screwdriver. We're just going to undo these clamps. Now that we've taken them off, we'll just take this little breather hose off. The intake pipe will slide off, like so. So you just want to get a flat bladed screwdriver. We're just going to push that grey clip down, and then we can push in and then pull off. Now that we have the airflow meter pipe out of the way, we just have to take a clip out of the wiring loom here. It's into the airbox, that just pops out, that little clip there. And then we can just lift up with a little bit of force on the airbox, and it comes out. Now we're about to fit the Growler into position here. We just want to move this radiator overflow hose out of here. And then we just want to, you can just pull that up. It's just two little clips in there. And pull this out of the way for the moment because we don't need that there. Now we just want to put this unit into place temporarily. Just a matter of sliding it down into place. It sometimes needs a little bit of a jiggle. You just want to line this up. Now it won't fit all the way back in. You'll see a little gap running along here. This will go in nice and tight on this corner, so we just want to mark with a pencil where we're going to drill our 3 holes. So we want one there, there, another one just here, and we can take that back out. To drill these holes, we're just going to use about a 6mm drill. Now when I'm doing this, I actually use a magnet that I've got here, cover that with a bit of plastic, so as when we drill this hole, the metal swarf is actually going to attract to the magnet, so as it doesn't fall down inside your car in the engine bay and rust when it gets wet. So we just want to pop these holes in here. see, all that metal has just come to the magnet. Whatever doesn't come, like these bits just here, is just paint. Now another little tip I like to do is we just use a little bit of paint, or you can use nail polish. Just pop it inside the hole there, just so as that raw metal doesn't rust once it gets wet. It doesn't matter what colour this is, as you're not going to see it later on. Now that we've got those holes drilled, we're just going to place the unit back into position again, because we just want to put some pilot holes into the plastic so as it makes it easier to put the screws in. So with the unit in position, we're just going to drill our couple of pilot holes. Into the plastic box, like so. Now we're just going to take that back out so as we can refit our tube. And we just want to make sure that we pop that back in properly. Next, we're just going to put our screws in to the pilot holes. Don't over tighten them, because if you're going into plastic you will strip it. Just like so. Now we're going to put the airflow meter back into place. Just want to pop this clip back on and push the grey clip back up as well. Putting that over the growler. Make sure that the wires are all out of the way of the pulley, like so. And put our intake pipe back on as well. Now we can do up our clamps. When doing these clamps, we want to make sure they're firm, but do not over tighten them, because they will break. And that's all in position and done. We just put all the scrivets back in to hold the panel in position. And that's one Growler unit fitted to a VZ SS Commodore V8